Welcome back to Peak Product Picks, where we introduce you to some of the most exciting and innovative gadgets on the market. If you're looking for a playful, interactive companion that doesn't require the usual care of a living pet, you're in the right place. You'll find all the product links in the description below, so let's get started. First up is Eilik, a lively little robot that's perfect for kids and anyone who adores pets. In addition to the wide range of emotional responses it displays, Eilik also features a variety of idle animations that spring to life whenever it's left alone for a moment. These animations can be surprisingly nuanced, from quietly humming tunes to fidgeting around as if it's looking for something to play with. Another fun aspect is how Eilik responds differently based on whether you lift it, tap its head gently, or give its belly a light poke. Each interaction can trigger new facial expressions or even a change in its mood, highlighting just how responsive this tiny companion really is. If you own multiple Eiliks, you'll see them communicate by swapping happy chirps, competing in playful fights, or joining together for impromptu mini games. Frequent firmware updates add fresh interactive content, ensuring that Eilik continues to learn and keeps you guessing about what it might do next. This continual evolution makes it a wonderful gift option, particularly around special occasions like birthdays or Christmas, when everyone is eager for something fun and unexpected. You can literally power Eilik on at any moment for an instant pick-me-up, and it's small enough to fit into just about any desk setup without becoming a distraction. Moving on to Bittle, the world's first palm-sized servo-activated bionic robotic dog that offers about an hour of playtime. Bittle isn't just about assembling a few parts. It challenges you to piece together 3D puzzle components that mimic the structure of a real canine's limbs, giving you an authentic, hands-on robotics experience. Once constructed, Bittle can be controlled via a remote or a mobile app, which opens up a wealth of possibilities for teaching it new routines and tricks. High-performance metal servo motors allow it to replicate realistic animal-like movements, so you'll see Bittle trot around smoothly, pivot to follow your commands, and sometimes even crouch down as though it's waiting to pounce. Thanks to the open source OpenCat platform, adventurous users can integrate additional hardware like ultrasonic sensors or a sophisticated camera module, enabling Bittle to see objects, measure distances, or even recognize shapes in its environment. Coding enthusiasts can start off with straightforward block-based programming before progressing to Arduino IDE and eventually C++ or Python, gradually learning how to refine Bittle's balance, speed, and reaction time. This kit is an excellent entryway into STEAM and STEM education as it cultivates skills in problem solving, engineering, and creative thinking. There's also an active online community ready to support you if you hit any snags, making Bittle a superb option for anyone who wants to delve deeper into the frontier of home robotics. Finally, there's Loona, a cutting-edge robot dog that's been designed to act as both a companion and a mini home monitor. The most recent V23 update showcases an enhanced level of interactivity, allowing Loona to speak multiple languages, including Portuguese, Polish, Arabic, and Vietnamese, which makes it more accessible to users worldwide. Along with newly added gestures like stay still and look behind, Loona now features improved voice and follow mode algorithms that help it maintain consistent, accurate responses, even in busy household environments. Equipped with a high-definition RGB camera and a 3D2F sensor, Loona navigates seamlessly around furniture and other obstacles, ensuring it can join you in any room without trouble. Voice commands are handled by Amazon Lex and ChatGPT, enabling Loona to carry on simple conversations or respond to situational prompts in real time. Beyond its chatty nature, Loona's playful side shines through. You can have it chase laser dots across the floor, pick up balls, or use its dedicated app to unlock quizzes and mini games that test Loona's agility and your own quick thinking. If you're ever away, Loona doubles as a surveillance tool. Its built-in speaker and camera allow you to check on your home and even speak through the device remotely. This combination of educational value, companionship, and practical functionality makes Loona one of the most sophisticated pet bots available. Each of these robotic pets offers something unique, whether it's Eilik's ever-growing repertoire of emotions and quick-to-deploy mini games, Bittle's in-depth building process and open-source coding possibilities, or Loona's impressive AI-driven features and adaptive navigation. If you want a tech-savvy pet that's always ready to play and never needs a trip to the vet, look no further. Remember to check the links in the description for all the details and be sure to subscribe to Peak Product Picks for more high-tech highlights. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.